It's not going on YouTube.
It will? Yeah, it will.
Ready? Yeah.
Put away!
Seems like
The magnesium is lit.
Don't fail it. Don't fail it.
yeah. It's like I dare you to jump over. Alright, ready?
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
No, monsieur! No? No.
No!
You don't have to use it. Just let it go. Let it go. Now, what?
Oh, it missed every piece.
Oh!
I told you to stack it.
Look at that.
Look at it, almost went through the trash.
Don't touch it. It's 2,000 degrees.
How does it go exactly around it?
Side of the trash.
Yeah.
That is what's up right
Is it going through the trash can?
Hey, look, we made a small cloud.
every single one. I was wondering.
Yeah.
No, I know. I was so exothermic.
Yes, Dan.
So, we're going to sit here and wait until it cools.
How long is that going to take?
A long time.
Alright, someone get some water.
Get a hammer to smash the flower pot with. Actually, you can do that anyway. Never mind.
It's going to take a long time to cool here. And then what's going to end up happening after this is you're going to end up having a nice little shard of metal.
Told you that.
I don't think